Here's the secret to stepping your foot through between your hands. You know this funny little yoga move that's called out in virtually every yoga class, and you're somehow supposed to get your foot there, only you get about here and then you're like, motherfucker, why won't my foot get up there? Yeah, that's what we're talking about today. Secretly, this move has nothing to do with the length of your arms. It really doesn't. I hear this all the time. My arms are too short to clear my foot through. Well, guess what? My arms are too short too, if we use that logic. It's about the hips. Look at my hips. You see how low they are? I don't have space to bring my foot forward because of how low my hips are. If I take my hips up and I pull my knee to my chest and I keep my hips as high, as high, as high, as high as I can, boom, then I have room for my foot. But this is a question of pushing the floor away, hollowing out your belly, and sucking that thigh up as high as you can with your butt in the air. If you drop your butt, boom, foot gets stuck. There is also no shame in the prop game. Grab yourself some blocks to elevate the floor and give yourself more space to practice getting that foot forward. Over time, you won't need the blocks anymore, and you'll be able to keep your hips high and step the foot through. Couple of drills to practice this movement. Bring your knee to your chest, practice lowering it down and lifting it up as you pike your hips up. Lower the knee and lift your hips as high as you can. That is what will train you to get your foot through. You can do it. If you're sick of not being exactly sure what is going on in yoga class, my no bullshit yoga pose library breaks down the nitty-gritty details of over 90 yoga poses so that you never have to ask yourself, what am I doing in yoga class ever again? Click the link below in the description to get access to my super sneaky discount on my no bullshit yoga pose library so you can feel like a badass on your mat and stop wondering what the heck you're supposed to do. I've got you.